Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're doing something that I know you've been waiting like months to do.
I'm mega excited!
Since Christmas. We're going to be fitting these HEKO wind deflectors. Now, you've got a 4-door, so you've got 2 at the front, 2 at the back. I've got these massive 2-door ones, so it's going to be an excuse to show you fitting it on a 2-door and a 4-door car. I've got some fancy pinstripes on, so that's all ready to go.
Mine are just black because I like it. Just black.
Clean. You'll notice how red and clean this is compared to my disgusting things, but yeah, so let's crack on with that and see what it's like.
That's the wrong one.
Is it? Yeah. That's that one. So that's this side that we're going to do now. Yeah. I was just saying, looking at these instructions, these are the instructions that came in my dad's, right?
Full instructions.
Yeah. All this writing, all these paragraphs on how to fit them.
Where's Lewis's? That's it. So dad's is obviously bigger.
What do you... Shut up.
Mine's bigger.
Oh my word.
Is mine bigger?
It is.
Right, so I win.
Yeah, but you're not on a... Oh.
I won. I've won. I'm bigger. Mine's bigger. I've won. Doesn't matter. Just finished. Done. We're not fitting anything.
Hey, it lines up nice, doesn't it? It's going to look good when it's on.
Yeah, it is.
So it's going to fit inside the sill, make sure the sill's clean, and then we've got some clips that go in as well as this like fancy double-sided tape stuff.
So that fits under there, like.
Yeah.
That's going to go
I love it with pinstripe now.
Yeah.
Right, let me put this down. Right, so the instructions say, well, we'll need to peel these off first, to take mine off, and then we have to put this front corner in first, and then bow it to put the back in. Goes off, yeah? Yeah. Right, and let's start going in.
Don't stick it.
How do I not stick it if it goes in? That's it. People worry about this for me now.
We've done first one.
That were easy. That is literally solid in on its own tamping. Right, now we need to do is put the clips in.
I presume that's got against the trim.
It's got like a little nib, hasn't it?
I'd say that was against plastic trim.
No, forget it. I'm going to use my tiny instructions. No, it don't tell you.
I'd say that bit's got to dig into something. So does it dig into trim or does it dig into felt?
Where else do we put it in?
I'm going to put it about there.
Yeah,
about there.
And I'll just do it here.
Yeah. Push it up hard. Just my thumbs are too fat. Let me get a screwdriver.
No way.
Get a screwdriver.
Go on then.
No winning! No winning!
Shut up. Right, shove them in with screwdriver. Because if it doesn't work this, it goes up and it rejects it and goes back down. Are you ready?
Yeah, wind up.
I didn't like that.
It's just pushing trim out, it's alright. Down, yeah, back up. Just push that trim into place. Back up.
Stuck?
Yeah. Leave it up.
We're good now?
Yeah, leave it up then. The show's done.
Sound. That's that one side done.
Finish off.
Right. That looks great. Right, we'll not do the other side because you know how it works basically on this car now. So what I'll do now is we'll do my dad's car and then you know how to fit it on a 4-door vehicle basically. Like maybe even if you had a Type S or something, one of these. And yeah, then we'll have a look at them all complete. Whenever you're ready.
Hi. Right, you've seen Lewis fit his 1 window trim per side. I'm going to fit 2 per side. You're laughing at Lewis.
I can't help it. It's weird. Well, it's weird watching you do it and not me doing it.
It's weird watching you do it.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
Sticker at the front, sticker at the rear, same as Lewis. Mine's just a little bit bigger.
You need a big sticker at your rear.
Yeah, baby. I got it. I can manage. So feed it in gently.
Yeah, nice that.
Send window up. Oh no, I need to fit clips.
Put your clips in first.
2 clips.
Have you got 2 clips
Per trim.
Right, okay. So you've got 2 at front, 2 at back. Just to show people, because I didn't show them on ours, where you put in the trims.
Up against the trim and the seal.
Yeah, in between.
Yeah.
It's pushing it in, isn't it? This.
Oh.
Oh, nearly.
Didn't want that one.
I'll get a shove.
Yeah, that's one.
That's it. And the same down there. They rejected it?
Yeah.
You're joking. Oh. Right, so it actually turned out on this one, the clip that we put like further up around here needed to be at this very back position because the wind was coming up and catching on this trim here. So now when you send it up, it goes all the way past that point and seals. Bang on. So that one's sorted. We're just going to move on to this back one now. Yeah, all that had sticky pads all the way across it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then we just got to pop it in.
Feed the front in. Bend it. Oh.
Go on. Ooh.
Oh, I'm bending that.
Oh, straight up.
Yeah.
It's quite good actually because this HEKO bit matches there, and the sides of it matches, but then
I like how it tapers off.
yeah, it tapers off at the back. Yeah, that's what I mean.
That's for speed.
For speed.
Yeah.
Aerodynamics.
Yeah. If that was thick all the way along, it'd be a lot slower.
Oh yeah. All that drag.
Yeah.
I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding on and it all starts now.
Right, so they're on all now, all done and dusted. I really like the look of them. I love mine with the pinstripes. I love how clean my dad's look with the one on the front, one on the back. Even sat in them, it's so much nicer just to have that little bit of sun shading as well with them being tinted. Loads better. Are you happy with them?
Yeah, I'd just like to say thank you, Lewis, for finally getting round to let me fit my trims that I got for Christmas. I'm so over the moon.
Yeah. Like, literally weekends he's been sat like, oh, I want to fit him, but he's not fit him, waiting for me to do this video.
I've got them out of the box 4 times and put them back just because I was waiting for Lewis.
Right, so I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and please like and subscribe if you do enjoy any of my videos. Click that little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video comes on. And until next time, guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.